What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at the Hikeep electric bike. This is going to be the K6L in black. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open so we can take a look at it. All right, so once we get everything out of the box, you'll notice that you get the bike. It comes disassembled of the front wheel and the handlebars, so we have to put those on, but we have our user manual. You get your pegs, got to put those on. You have your charger, get it charged up, and it's just a 2-prong, so you can plug this into any outlet. You have your nice headlight, has a nice halo on here and a projector, really nice. You get a toolkit to get everything assembled. You also get an air pump, so this way you can get your tires aired up. All right, so now that we have the bike put together, we have the wheel on, the handlebars on, and the only thing we have to do now is take it for a test drive. Now, first, before we do that, let's go over some of the features. So once again, these come with on-road and off-road tires. These are going to be 20 by 4-inch tires. This is going to be a removable battery. You have a brushless motor that you can use with 5 different modes, or you have a 7-speed gear that you can use when you're pedaling. You also have an active spring here for your suspension in the back. You also have shocks in the front, so this way you can take it off-road if needed. Now the bike functions with 2 ways. You turn on the battery, and then you use a key to turn on the motor, and then that gets you set up and ready to go. The bike also comes with a rear LED, and it also comes with a front light, and this light is used as both high beam, low beam. So you just adjust the light so it's level. That way you can see if you're going to be riding at night. Now the bike weighs a total of 77 pounds. It has a max capacity of 330 pounds. So just about anyone from a young adult to a full-size adult can ride on this bike with no problem. It also features a carbon steel frame, so this way it's nice and strong. So when taking it off-road, you won't have any issues there. Now this bike gets up to 32 miles per hour on this 1500 watt motor. So it's a nice quick bike that you can take on and off-road. Now with that speed, you also have good stopping power. It features a dual brake system, so you have a brake up front and a brake in the rear. So guys, that's going to be the K6L electric bike by Hikeep. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.